Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa N Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibonani, njengoba i-ANC beyinerally e-Alexandra Zolo ngomhla ka-2 February 2025, uPanyazela Lesufi ukhulumeke into ey'ningi laphaya. Ziningi izinto azikhulumile nangendlela abanazo nge-Alexandra, wabeka khona ukuthi cha bona nje abayincengi i-DA futhi nje eGauteng bakwazi baphethe bona i-DA iyahala nje bingaphandle ayisingxenye yabo futhi bona abayidingi i-DA uku-approve izinto. Ziningi izinto azikhulumile kodwa inhloso yami ngale video ukuveza le nkulumo ayishilo ngama-members asuka ku-ANC ayojoyina umkhonto, amanye ajoyina i-EFF, ukuthi uthi lawo ma-members angamagwala, uthi angamagwala kodwa wabonile kukhona abuyayo. Ngizongena-ke kuleyo nkulumo leyo, kodwa kwamanje ngicela usubscribe kule channel, ulike ivideo, ucommente, ujoyine ne-membership yale channel. Iqala nje ku-20 rand ngenyanga ukuya phezulu. Asiqhubeke. Ukhulume kanjalo kuPanyazela Lesufi esho khona ukuthi cha i-DA abayincengile, wathembisa-ke kakhulu futhi nokuthi inhloso yabo bafuna ukuthi iy'ngane zabelungu yifunde ney'ngane zabantu abamnyama eklasini elilodwa. Okunye akubalile futhi ukuthi ufuna ukuthi abantu bakwazi uku-accessa private hospital ngaphandle kwe-medical aid. Yingakho befuna ukuthi u-government aphasise i-NHI bill. Engizokwenza manje sizomcaphuna la akhuluma khona ngalezi zinto, kodwa inhloso yale video ukuthi akhulume ngalama member akhulume ngawo we-ANC asuka ayojoyina umkhonto wesizwe aphinda ajoyina i-EFF. Okwamanje nje asizwe la.
We want to send this message to the leadership of the ANC in our NEC. Comrade TG, there must be no member of society that is sick that can go to hospital because they don't have a medical aid. There must be no person that is rejected in a private hospital because they don't have a medical aid. We are urging Minister Motsoaledi, we are also urging President Ramaphosa, let's implement the NHI now. We are ready as Gauteng to budget for NHI. We are ready to open our clinics and hospitals so that our people can get medical assistance in our hospitals. We must not listen to a zeal that NHI must not be implemented. We must not listen to a DA that the NHI must not be implemented. We are also extending this message, Comrade TG. Abantwana bethu nabantwana babelungu fanele bafunde e-classroomini eyi-1, abanye bayofunda isiZulu, abanye bafunde i-Afrikaans, but bafunde esikolweni esi-1, and whoever rejects this proposal must just leave us alone. We are ready to defend Bella, and we are ready to ensure that our children are not oppressed again. They must tell us what's wrong for our children to be in the same classroom with their children.
Ngiyathemba ukuthi uyamuzwa-ke uPanyazela Lesufi njengoba echaza ukuthi bafuna ukuthi abantu babe ne-access ukuthi bakwazi ukuya kuma-private hospital bengavinjwa ukuthi abana-medical aid. Okwesibili, bafuna ukwenza sure ukuthi iya-implementwa i-Bella bill le abayisayinile ukuze iy'ngane zabelungu zifunde ney'ngane zabamnyama. Iyona nto ayigcizelele kakhulu le njengoba bekhuluma, futhi uthi abayidingi i-DA ukuthi iphikisane nalezi nqumo abazithathile. Siyazi-ke i-Bella bill isayiniwe, sekushoda ukuthi i-implement noma kuthiwa izo-implementwa kancane kancane izigcina isingene yaphelela yonke. I-NHI-ke akasayinwa. Uthi-ke uma i-DA ibona sengathi yona ayivumi, angeke bona bezwe nge-DA futhi ngeke bezwe ngoHelen Zille. I-DA mayihluleka ayibashiye ku-GNU. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi imessage yakhe beyilapho ngoba ukuveza ngokusobala ukuthi akayincengile i-DA. Asiqhubeke simcaphune.
Comrade TG, we also want to send this message strong. The land belongs to us. Umhlaba wethu must come back so that our people in Alexander must not be cramped here. When there is empty land there that is not utilized because it's expensive, we want to thank our president for signing that law. Let's implement that law and bring back our land so that our people can be taken there and stay nice in their own country. Any other person that opposes this, they must just leave us. Asbangengi. Yabona mina comrade TG. Kulombuso suphethe la eGauteng. iDA yahala asibafakanga, and we don't want them, and we are not ready to accommodate them, and we can demonstrate that we can run government without them.
Nansi ke lenkulumo ade ngisho lasho khona ukuthi cha abayincengi iDA, abayincengi nje futhi umhlaba ufuna ubuyele kuba. Kodwa ke iyangikhathaza le ndaba yokucampaigna kwabo ngomhlaba. Iyangikhathaza ngoba it's been 30 years bephethe, it's been 30 years inkinga zomhlaba bazazi before. Kodwa into esengiyiqaphelile ngosopolitiki ikakhulukazi ANC, bayakwazi ukuthatha inkinga zabantu nezidingo zabantu bakhangise ngazo ukuthi hayi bonake sonenzela khona, banele bangavotelwa nje benza abadume ngakho. Angimsoli umuntu ovotela iANC, kodwa ngiyangizibuza ukuthi umuntu osavotela iANC ulindele luphi ushintsho ezolwenza lehlulekile ukulenza eminyakeni ewu30 edlule. Ngiyazibuza nje lo mbuzo ukuthi umuntu ngempela osavotela iANC ulindele luphi ushintsho. Mhlawumbe iANC seyizokwenza izinto kangcono manje ngoba isibonile ukuthi abantu sebeyaqala manje. Yabona ngiyabancoma abantu base KZN, abantu base Mpumalanga, abantu base Gauteng, ngiyabancoma. Senzo sabo sibe sihle kakhulu ukuthi bathi ANC beniphethe for the past 30 years sifaka abanye. I don't care bafaka obani, kodwa ukuvotela abanye abantu ukuthi benze umehluko ngoba nina kudala niphethe anwenzanga umehluko. Ngiyasincoma isenzo salawo bantu, ngiyasincoma. Sengathi amanye ama province angabukela na uma ngabe bekuphethe inkatha ingenzi lutho akushintshwe phela kufaka iEFF. Uma bekuphethe iEFF ingenzi lutho ayishintshwe kufaka iDA. Uma bekuphethe iDA ingenzi ayishintshwe ukuze aza ama politician ukuthi hey abantu laba if we mess with them bazoskip. Asike exerciseni i-right yethu. Ngihlezi ngisho lokho nje abantu bakwethu asingavumi ukuthi kube khona abantu abadla amandla ethu. Ngihlezi ngisho lokho namanje ngiyakuphinda ngaphamba ngabana lenkhulumo izinto eziningi. Ngizongena manje enkulumeni kaBanyaza Lusufu ekhuluma ngama member abowa ku ANC, abowa ku ANC ashiya ayojoina iEFF, amanye ayojoina umkhonto wesizwe. Ngizomdedela yena akhulume ngawo bese mhlambe ngiphawule emveni kwalapho. Kodwa engigcizelelayo ukuthi bantu bakithi uma sifuna ukubona ushintsho asishintshe political party ephethe. Nezongena izokwazi ukuthi uma singenzi izinto ngendlela abazoskipha labantu bayawazi amandla abo.
Our national leadership have spent 3 days assessing our performance in the elections, and we agree with them. We didn't do well. We agree with them. We didn't achieve our goals. We agree with them that they must give us support to strengthen the ANC in our province. And we want to welcome their intervention because umama or ubaba magalungisa umntwana, all of us must listen to our national leadership to guide us and to strengthen us so that we have a strong ANC. So leadership, your intervention is welcomed.
Yingakho ke bengithi ngiyababonga kakhulu abantu baseMpumalanga, baseGauteng, abase KZN ngokuthi bangayivoteli ANC idrop ngoba iANC ibisikhululeke kakhulu. Manje sebeyabona ofuneka kubuyelwe kubantu kodwa basiqambelile amanga kwanele. Yilokho nje ngikushoyo mina ukuthi cha basikhohlisile kwanele. Angimazi umuntu osavotela iANC ukuthi ucabanga kanjani. Mhlawumbe umuntu osavotela iANC uyabenefita kuANC noma uyakuthanda ukuhlupheka lokho okuhlushekwa ngabantu. Phela abantu abefana khona abantu mhlawumbe abakuthandayo nabakujabulelayo. Asingene endabeni nalama member athi bashiya ANC baya EFF sizwe ukuthi uthini ngabo.
And we want to say to those that left the ANC to join Umkhonto weSizwe, or those left the ANC to join EFF, we want to send you a strong message. Niyamakwala, buyane ekhaya, sizolwa impi ekhaya, so that we defend the African National Congress. There must be no one who insult our president and say this is the ANC of Ramaphosa. This is the ANC of the people. This is the ANC of Nelson Mandela. This is the ANC of Oliver Tambo. This is the ANC of all of us. We are running a campaign and we are proud, comrades. In the next few days, we are going to welcome hundreds of people that left to join another political party. They are coming back home because they've realized that side, that home is better than that side. They've realized that home is nice and sweet, and they've realized that there's nothing better than the African National Congress. Kunabanye abafundisi la angifuni ukubajampise. Lento leyo Umkhonto mayiqala bahamba baya lapha. Mababuya babuye nje bangazi ukuthi yini, but sabavulela inhliziyo savula izandla and we have welcomed them. Bafundisi bethu siyabonga for coming back to the African National.
Uzweleke utheke abantu abashiya iANC bayojoin iEFF, abanye bayojoin Umkhonto weSizwe bangamagwala, kodwa bazorun icampaign manje bazomukela ama-100 abantu ababuye ekhaya ngoba bayabona ukuthi alikho ikhaya elingcono kwedlula i-African National Congress. Bayabona ukuthi ekhaya kumnandi kunalaba yekhona. Sho njalo uPanyaza Lesufi. Uthi bathi bazobuyela ekhaya khona abantu sebuyela ekhaya, uthi kunabefundisi futhi owathi maqala Umkhonto base behamba yakhona babonile bebuya sebenamahloni babavulela izandla ukuthi ababuye kusekhaya. Kanti nase KZN bekuthiwa impela bazomukela ama members we ANC ayihambe la kuMkhonto weSizwe. Ngabheka ngithi kuzokwenzeka, cha kwenzekanga. Asazi ke noma la eGauteng kuzokwenzeka na, kodwa abantu uPanyaza Lesufi futhi abantu bathi bafuna ukubuyela ekhaya ngoba la abaye khona bathi akukho kuhle. Umkhonto weSizwe ke musha, semusha unonyaka ukhona. Kodwa iEFF ina 11 years kulonyaka iexista. Kwi11 years ukube kwakukhona abantu ababona ukuthi bathatha isinqumo esirong, ngaba ikhulu ngendlela ekhula ngayo futhi ngabe babuyele emuva kuANC. Kodwa ngoba baphuma baya EFF abakaze babuyele emuva. Asazi ukuthi ke kulaba abaphumeka emuva yini yona kube ezobishintshile. Kodwa ke ilokho kushiwo uPanyaza Lesufi. Mina ke nawe asidibane kwivideo landelayo. Ngiyacela ukuzwa nje ukuphawula kakho kwi-comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani uma kushiwo kanje. Ngiyabonga.